Jai Jagannath, very good evening to all of you. I am Jaydev. My YouTube channel is Jaydev 1978. I welcome to all of you to my channel and to my video. So please watch my video, and if you like, so please like the videos and share and subscribe. So today my topic is the changing environment and the modern human beings. So nowadays what happens, the population is growing very fast. You see, in very recent years China was number one as per the population is considered, and nowadays so India has crossed that number, and India is the number one country having the highest population in the world. So what happens if population grows? On the other hand, the demands also rises. So when the demand rises, like the number of vehicles rises and deforestation occurs, and number of industries also grow, so that so much obnoxious gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide like gases increase in the atmosphere. Basically, carbon dioxide and methane trap the heat, which act like an blanket, warm blanket. That means it doesn't allow the heat coming from the sun at the time of evening, so that the temperature rises day by day, which leads to melting of snows in islands, Antarctica and Himalayas. So it is seen that within a very few years, the river Ganga is going to be dried up, and simultaneously the sea level, the water level of sea is rising day by day. So day will come when the coastal areas will be emerged, and it is seen that some of the islands, they have already been immersed inside the deep sea. On the other hand, people are facing lots of problems, and nowadays it is seen that many people are purchasing AC to feel a little bit comfortable in the time of summer. But we are not thinking about how to plant number of trees. So that is called afforestation, which naturally cools down the atmosphere. We are not thinking about that. We are only telling that the government is cutting down the forest and the government should take care of that. But it doesn't happen. We have to be aware ourselves. We have to make the people aware how to plant more and more trees, so that to cool down the atmosphere, so which naturally leads to causing of rainfall, and the people will live happily. Will also get the free oxygen, will become also healthy. We are not thinking about those. Though we are thinking, but we are not doing in our day-to-day activities. So this is basically that problem we are facing. So please, I would like to request to all of you. So please plant at least one tree, and if it is more than one, so it is better. So I would like to request to all of you to plant at least one plant, and how to develop, how to grow perfectly that plant. You have to be very attentive to take care of those plants, so that our environment will be free from those obnoxious gas like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide. On the second hand, on the second other hand, I would like to express the ideas, that is nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide, when increase in the atmosphere, when they mix with the rainwater, they turn into acidic. So this rain is called the acid rain. And acid rain leads to decrease the yielding power of crops. It also leaches out the nutrition supplements of the upper layer of the earth. It also greatly affects the aquatic animals. So lots of problem we are facing. Basically, not only we but also all the creatures, they are also getting trouble day by day because for the humans activity. So to live with a healthy life, to make our environment green and healthy, we have to take care a lot. So I would like to request once again to plant more and more trees and to take care of those plants perfectly, to grow in as an adult tree, to save our environment. Save the environment and save the lives. Today's slogan. Thank you. Very good night. Jai Jagannath.